quick tutorial for you on how to make a copy of the things that you find in the shared drive so you can manipulate them, edit, and easily access. So I'm in my Chrome right now, and I'm going to go up here to the upper right, and I'm going to click on my waffle and go to Drive. And in Drive, I'm going to go to Shared Drives here. I'm not doing Shared with Me, I'm going to do Shared Drives. And we're going to go into the Agent Training Drive. I'm going to double click on that to open it. And in here, there's a folder called Polish Your Profiles. And in this folder, there's going to be resources for each day. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on the new real estate agent bio template. This is a template if you need help writing a bio or maybe refreshing your bio. So I'm going to double click on that and open it here. It gives me a preview. And I'm going to go ahead and right up here, I'm going to hit open with Google Docs. So this is opening in Google Docs. And right up here, you'll notice a request edit access. You have view only on this. We want to keep this Google Doc preserved. So what you're going to have to do, don't hit the request edit access. What you want to do is make a copy of this. So right up here, you'll see the little drive button with the plus. And we're going to click this to add to my personal drive so I can then open and edit this. So I'm going to click this. Oh, it says unable to add. Well, that's not good. Let's try it again. All right, let's do this. Let's click on File up here and do Make a Copy. And I'm going to make a copy of this. I'm going to take out Copy Of. And here I'm going to click on the folder that I want it in. Right now, it's asking if I want to put it back in the same folder, which I don't want to do. Instead, I want to hit this back button and get all the way back to my drive, and I'm going to click on my drive. And if I have a folder that I've created for all of my personal marketing resources, which I have right here, my marketing resources, I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to hit select and hit OK. And I now have my own copy of this that I can take and I can change and I can edit and I can add my information in here and do with it what I want. So these, what I just walked you through would apply towards anything that's in the shared drives, whether it's in agent training, agent marketing, your office drive. That's how you create a copy of things that you can manipulate on your own. So I'm going to walk through that one more time for you. Let's go back over here to, here's my, I'm in agent training. I clicked on the left-hand side, shared drives, and I went to agent training. I double-clicked and opened that. And then I want to go to Polish Your Profiles. And we are going to make a copy of the slides from day one. So I'm going to double-click to open this. Up here, you'll notice it's a view only. I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy. I want to make a copy of the entire presentation. Again, I can name it whatever I want. I can say this is my copy. I'm just going to delete copy of. I'm going to click on folders, and I'm going to hit this back button until I see my drive. Double click on my drive. I want to put it in my marketing resources, and I hit select. So now these two items are in my personal drive, so I can access them, manipulate them, and edit as I wish. So let's go back and find them in my drive. Clicking right up here on the tab that has the drive on it, in agent training now. I come back over here to the left and click my drive. And here's my folder, my marketing resources. And it's not quite loaded in there yet. There they are right there. I just had to hit refresh. And here are those two items that we put over in my drive. And again, when I open those, I can edit them. I can do with them what I want. Hopefully you found that helpful. We'll see you again soon.